Hey, welcome again. So in this video, I will show you how you can um, access your cPanel files in VS Code using the extension remote SSH. Okay, so I have a Laravel project which I hosted in the cPanel. So if I logged in, you will see I have file manager. Then inside this file manager, I have a folder public HTML, which I guess my the Laravel project, so or the root directory of my project. So if I go to the app folder, then console, I open this kernel.php file. You can see the logics I have written previously. So if I check another one, API token, CETA, just open this one. Okay, these are the files and the code I have written. So I will open this using VS Code. Okay, let's go to the dashboard, and this is the domain, and this is my IP, which is the shared IP, and the tools I'm going to use is SSH. So you have to go for the extension section of VS Code, then type remote remote developer, remote explorer, remote tunnels, and remote SSH. So this extension I'm using to access this cPanel. Okay, so I already installed this extension, so I'm not gonna do it again. I just so when after successfully you install the remote SSH, you will see this icon. Okay, and you have to enable this option. Then if you click this one, SSH, then you can see I also had a VPS project. I access it using this remote SSH. So if you want to connect your VPS server in VS Code, you can see my video already have been posted in YouTube. So check this video. I will post the link below my comment section. So now we add this cPanel, right? We want to access this project directory. So I'm gonna do this. I will click this this plus icon. Then here I need to, and the first part I will use the username. Okay, the username, and after that I will put the IP. Okay, so where you can find the username in your cPanel. In cPanel, At the top right side, you can see the general information section. You can see your username, then your domain, then your IP. Okay, so then I will copy this one. Then, so, okay, so now I will put the add or at the rate. Then I will copy this IP address, and after at the rate, I will paste it. Then I will press enter. Okay, it asked me to the config folder, select the config folder. So let's select, as I am using the Ubuntu, and here it says the config folder is in home melodramatic then .sh. So I'll click this one. Okay, okay, it was saved, the config file, and now okay, it asking me the cPanel. I paste my password here. I press enter. Now let's check. Okay, it's connected. Then I will click the open folder, as I'm in home slash communicate. Then I need to select the public HTML folder. Then I need to press OK. So as you can see, these file managers, if I go to the file manager and go for the public HTML, so this directory has worker webpack viewer config server.php file. So all this worker webpack viewer server, all this file has been showing here. So I can easily update all the code through this VS Code. I don't need to log in the cPanel, and if I or update the code from here, I can do it from this remote SSH extension. Using this, I can easily upgrade anything. Like, so if I comment out this part, okay, I save this one. So okay, I saved this one, and if we go to this app and open the Ceta, as you can see, the change has been reflected also here. And if we also uncomment this line, okay, we just uncommented this line, and if you reload it again, you can see this is the change reflected here. So this is how you can use remote SSH to access your cPanel files. Also, you can access your VPS. For the VPS, you can check my below videos how to access it.